Hey, first-time homeowners, if you want your faucet aerators to keep aerating your faucets, you need to clean them every 6 months. Oh, also, your faucets have aerators.
Don't look so guilty. Your parents probably didn't do this either, but this basic home maintenance task is about as easy as they come. And if I can do it, you can do it. Faucet aerators are the little mechanism at the end of your household faucets that restrict water flow in order to shape the stream, prevent splashing, and increase pressure while conserving water. They also filter out any sediment that sneaks through your home's water system. Over time, these filters can become clogged as crud builds up, interfering with the flow of water from your faucet. Here's how to keep your faucets flowing and free of debris. Unscrew the aerator using a towel and channel locks for stubborn ones. Remove the aerator. Make sure you get the rubber washer out too. Take the aerator apart, paying close attention to which part goes where so you can put it back together later. Soak all the parts in white vinegar for a few minutes. Rinse them off. Carefully poke out any individual clogs in the tiny screen holes with a toothpick or paper clip. Reassemble the aerator in the reverse way you took it apart. Replace the rubber seal. Screw the aerator back on. And there you have it. Your faucet aerators and your conscience are clean.